non-metal? On which side of the periodic table do you find the metals? On which side of the periodic table do you find the non-metals?
No. Activity 5.10. 5.10. First question.
How do you think the tendency
That is
to
over.
lose electrons change in a
1 minute, ma.
How will this tendency change in a period?
How will these tendencies change in a period? First, they have asked about group. Now they are asking about period. It is already given in the first 2 lines. Girls, you answer it, please.
Decreases along a period from left to right.
Which decreases?
Metallic character.
Metallic character. Why?
Tendency to gain electrons increases due to decrease in atomic size and increase in effective nuclear charge.
Already it is given. What is said is correct. As the effective nuclear charge acting on valence shell electrons increases across a period, you take up any period, ma. You take up any period from the modern periodic table and then say the answer. Then only it will be easily understand by others and also me. You understood better. I can feel you understood better. You take up second period. You take up second period and explain the answer. Girls, what is the question? How will this tendency, that tendency means tendency to lose electron, change in a period? She told that it increases across a period. So how it increases? That you have to say. Any idea? I told you to take up the second period, that is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. That you take up and then you say how the tendency to lose electron increases.
In lithium, electronic configuration is 2,1. So there are only 2 shells. Here atomic size decreases. So the nucleus will pull those electrons which are nearer to it.
Can you draw any picture? That way you can explain. Are you ready? By on your video you can show your understanding. Okay. You said the answer. We are going to take up the lithium Li. What is the easy for this? Easy?
2,1.
Okay, 2,1. Then beryllium
2,2.
2,2. Boron
2,3.
2,3. And then carbon
2,4.
nitrogen 2,5. Oxygen 2,6.
2,6.
Okay. And fluorine 2,7. So up to
Yes,
this
sir.
we can stop. what they have told as the effective nuclear charge acting on the valence shell electrons. Which is the valence shell electrons here?
One last outermost shell.
Outermost shell we have the electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next thing what they have given, valence shell electron increases across a period. Are you accepting? Here is the illustration. Starts with 1, it ends with 7. Why I have not written this neon?
It is noble gas.
It is noble gas, it cannot donate, it cannot show any metallic property. So I avoided. So by this illustration you can understand, it starts with the gradually increases. It follows the increasing order of valence shell electrons. Valence shell electrons, how we can decide? Whichever has the outermost shell. Outermost shell, whichever electron it has, it is said to be valence shell. கடைசியா இருக்கக்கூடிய electrons. Suppose lithium is there. This one 2 and this one is 1. So this is the outermost shell electrons. K L. L is the outermost electron shell for lithium. So it has only one electron and that is the valence electron of lithium. This is the basic thing. Even then I am saying why, because you need some examples. For that example I am giving. Okay, so the valence shell electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 across a period it is increases valence shell electrons. Okay, suppose valence shell electron increases, how it will show the metallic property? How it will show the metallic property?
It will lose electrons. By donating electrons.
Yes, donation of electron will be more. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the tendency to lose electron is the basic property of a metal, means here valence shell electrons are increasing order. So obviously across a period the metallic character or the tendency to lose electron increases. Why? Because the valence shell electrons are increasing. Obviously it will donate the electrons. It will try to donate the electrons. So only we written here as increases across a period. From left to right you can write. From left to right. Because it starts with the Li in the second group. It ends with the fluorine. So across a period it is increases. So that you note down. Whatever question they have asked, you have to explain with some examples. So here are the, it is very simple. So only I have taken up that second period from left to right. Very easy. You can find only two shells K and L. With that we can easily explain. This is basic concept. The latecomers are those who cannot understand now also can understand. So only I am telling this. Lithium has the outermost shell only one electron. If it has outermost in outermost shell it has one electron, that is said to be valence shell. If the valence shell has the electron, that can easily lose the electron. Tendency to give the electrons or donate the electrons. Note down. Okay. Activity 5.11. This time the question goes to boys side. Any one of the boys can read the question. Before that you note down the answer because I am going to check. At 8:45 definitely I will check that you know already. Those who cannot understand the concept, then and there you ask your doubts, get some clarity. I already mentioned this is actually a comprehensive type of revision. I am going so deep. It is already given in the book. Like that only we are doing. Just we are reading whatever given in the book. We try to understand the concept.